Hi everyone, my name is Martin G. Bucket of PSIT 48. My topic is all about net bias. Introduction of net bias. Net bias or network basic input system is a network protocol that facilitate communication between computers in a local area network or LAN. Originally developed by IBM in, in 1980s, it plays a crucial role in allowing applications to share resources and establish connection over a network. History of net bias. Net bias was introduced in the early 1980s alongside IBM SPC networks to provide a way for early computer systems to communicate within a LAN, paving the way of network computing. Over time, it became a standard for various operating systems, particularly in environments like Windows, which rely heavily on its functionality for files and printer sharing. NetBIOS is the old version of IP or TCP introduced by IBM in early 1980s. And used this computer system to communicate within a LAN. Purpose of NetBIOS. The primary purpose of NetBIOS is to enable application on different computers to communicate effectively. It provides essential service such as name resolution, session management, and message delivery, allowing device to identify each other and share resources seamlessly. The purpose of NetBIOS is to communicate computers by delivering message, name resolution, and session management. NetBIOS consists of three main components. NetBIOS names unique identifiers up to 15 characters per device on, on the network. NetBIOS services includes name service, NBNS, resolve NetBIOS name to IP addresses, datagram service sends to connectionless message, session services, manage connections for reliable data transfer. 3. NetBIOS API, Application Program Interface, that allows software developers to build applications utilizing NetBIOS services. How it works, NetBIOS operates through a name registration and resolution process. A device connects to the network, it's registered its NetBIOS name. Other device can resolve this name to an IP address using broadcast or a NetBIOS name server NBNS. Once resolved, device can establish sessions for data exchange, allowing for files sharing and printer access. NetBIOS versus TCP or IP. NetBIOS and TCP serves different rules in networking. NetBIOS operates at the session layer, providing communication function, while TCP or IP is a comprehensive suite that handles networking across multiple layers, includes transports internet layers. NetBIOS often relies on TCP or IP for transport, highlighting the importance of both protocols in modern networks. Advantage of NetBIOS: simplicity, easy to set up and use, especially for small network. NetBIOS, simple ang advantage sa NetBIOS is simple ra kaayo siya sa pag-set up ug paggamit, especially sa mga gagmay nga network. And number two, name resolution. Number two advantage is name resolution facilitates quick name to address resolution without complex configuration. Dayon, dali na siya o dili na ka mag-isod sa pag-config. B is legacy support, essential for older application and system that depend on net bias. Disadvantage of net bias. The scalability issue limited to small network due to its naming convention and broadcast method. So, ang disadvantage sa net bias is limited ra siya sa mga gagmay ra gini siya sa gagmay nga all network. And second disadvantage is security vulnerabilities sus- susceptible to attack like spoofing and packet sniffing. So kaduhang disadvantage sa net bias is security vulnerability kay old man ni siya nga version wala pa kay say mga nga bag-ong feature nga sa about sa security mga dali kay siya ma-attack and dali kay siya ma-attack like spoofing and packeting sniffing. And third disadvantage of net bias is performance limitation and efficient in large environment leading to potential network congestion. So, ang ganing net bias is ang usa po na ni ang advantage is performance limitation kay dili siya bagay sa mga dagko nga network like efficient in large environment mao na siya dili na siya or dili na siya applicable sa mga dagko nga environment kay tungod mo dili siya mo leads to potential network congestion. And last is that's all and thank you.